you're doing. It's another Saturday meal. I've already did pig feet, but this is going to be the crock pot. So here I have 16 ounces, 2 cups of water. I'm just putting in here. And I'm laying my pig feet in here. Okay, then I'm going to take my chitlin mix. I'm going to sprinkle some this way. You guys, you know, I have a thing with pig feet nails. So trust me, when this becomes done, they will come off. And just pour that on top. You know what? I think I add another cup of water. Total, I'm adding 4 cups of water. All right. Put my lid on here, and I hope this is plugged up. And it is. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put it on for 10 hours, and I'm putting it on low. That's all. Guess what, guys? I'm done. I'm done. Good to go. How easy was that? All right, guys, you see how easy that was? Look at that. Look at that. That was just too easy, wasn't it? Because you know I'm taking these nails off here, right? Because I can't do that. Alright, look how easy. The only thing I did was clean them off. Oh, I did clean them off with the vinegar water as well too, guys. I didn't show you that part, but I did. See? That's all you have to do. So tender, so easy, so quick. And I made it with the chitlin seasoning mix. That's all I did. Pour it in there, set it, and forget it. Alright, guys, so like I said, you see how easy that was? These are so tender in the crock pot. Crock pot, slow cooker, whatever you want to call it. I did put it on, of course, 10 hours overnight. Got up this morning, and they were awesome. And as you know, this right here, www.carlissspices.com. You only need this 1 pack. Just put it in there and you're good to go. So this the greens, the collard greens, the potato salad, the yams, the regular pig feet, these right here, and what else I have? Something else. It will all be in the description box. Alright, so check this out, guys. Check it out.